My name's Ossie, last name's Ally. I've been in the e-waste recycling business for about 11 years now. Moved here 4 years ago. Recently, I started a partnership with a new company, TK6 Worldwide, that does the same thing, e-waste recycling and decommissioning nationally, and in fact we're actually going international as well. When I first got into the business 11 years ago, it really was not recognized. You know, they knew e-waste was a problem out there because obviously electronic devices change every single month. So it was a matter of what do you do with the e-waste? Look, if we don't find a solution to all the electronics and the gadgets that we're making, there's going to be a problem in the landfills. Right now in North America, I believe it's 28 states have signed the amendment to ban the e-waste from landfills. If they do accept it, they call people like us to recycle it the correct way. I could tell you in the last 5 years alone, I've recycled alone maybe 3 million pounds of e-waste in the last 5 years. I can tell you over the next 5 years, 10 years, I will quadruple that. Nobody wants to spend money on doing the right thing, which is recycling. It's because they have strict budgets. I said, but I can actually save you anywhere from 5 to 10 cents a pound on any item because I'm going to go direct to a processor. So what I did was say, well, okay, I already have been in this business a long time. I have 6 strong processors in North America. I signed service agreements with them. I got my first county government contract in January. That allowed us then just rolling downhill. So I showed them pen and paper, obviously, look, this is what you're going to save if you went with me last year, but versus go with the recycler who then just goes with the processor. So I took everyone and took them straight and partnered them up as going from government division straight to processing. Now you can afford to do the right thing based off of your government budget. We took the same concept, went into Fortune 500 companies as well. We do Verizon, AT&T, and Sprint. The one key thing for business is your cash flow. If you can't collect your money, you can't build a business. My business, especially my business, I'm sure everyone's business is based off of cash flow. How can you pay your employees? How can you pay your overhead charge if you don't have the revenue coming in, the cash flow coming in? One thing that I've learned over the years is I actually set up every single client on an ACH payment. The reason why I do that, it alleviates the mailing the check, and I set everybody up on a 14-day pay. Once I receive your materials and I invoice it, or basically once I do the job for you and I invoice you, you have 14 days to pay by ACH. If you do, I'll give you a 5% discount. I have 95% of my clients pay me within 14 days. The most powerful tool out there is social media. If you're not involved in social media, you need to be. You know why? Because it's free. I would definitely say LinkedIn and Facebook are your most powerful tools out there. That's how we reach out to a lot of people. Like if we're doing an event, say in California, we will blast the whole of California. It gets out there to people, period. I've been here now over 2 years. I think I'm going on my 3rd year now. I think, yeah. So what I really love about Office Evolution is just everyone's so friendly and nice, but the service that you guys provide, I can honestly say that. I've known everybody up front, most of the staff, everybody's willing to help, but it's a support system. See, like I'm a salesperson and I travel a lot. I like to know that everything is taken care of when I'm away, and it is 200%. From down to the phone systems, to the messages, to, if I need something called in, everyone takes care of it right away. So I like the service that you provide. It's like a one-stop shop. I don't have to hire an assistant, That saves me a lot of money.